Hey guys! Time for the 4th episode of the season! 4B! While we were away, 24 gamers sent 30 responses to the prompt. It's the annual Build a Robot Festival, and you need to go fight them against other contenders. What will you add to your machine to destroy the competition? 14 voters casted a total number of 30 votes! Thanks to God Porridge, How, The Singled Square, Navy, Derp, Noafel, Freezerburn, and McEwa for super voting! This time, the top 4 contestants will prize, and the bottom 5 will die. The winner this time won with a score of 80%. The winner this time was another prizer. Wow, guys, you're really good at this, aren't you? I need a way to reveal the winner of the 4th round in a cool way without spoiling it. Oh, that's right! I can just give a tiny hint on who it is. Let's just hope I, don't say anything stupid or anything like that reveals the winner or anything. It was Navy. Damn it! Navy wins the round with the funny response, blasting out several miniature EMPs, effectively disable your opponent's robot. Congrats, dude. You technically won twice, but the mistake in episode 2 ended up with someone else winning. And you're not getting a mention, idiot. But you won again somehow. Yeah, wow, here's the leaderboard. Let's see who else God damn it, Noafel. The one that shall not be named, Bipede, and RandomAlt124, all prize. Good job, cool epic gamers. You all get to submit 2 responses next time. Now, let's see who funny scrapes and the rest of the leaderboard. Syncopathy scrapes. And we see some familiar faces up here. They're pretty cool. Now that we have revealed the first 12 safe contestants, we can see who else scrapes from the SDZ or something like that. Whoop! Now that we have revealed 14 contestants, let's see the 10 who have not. Uh-oh. There's some, people here that are, pretty questionable. Whatever. Only 5 of you will survive, and the other 5 will die, and will be, one by one cucked, or something like that. So let's pick you and you. Just start the music already, idiot. Goodbye 2, Yoshi Boy 720, Necro Zemek, How, One Leaf Clover, and Ron. You have all tried your hardest, but failed. Goodbye to all of you. I hope you had fun. Hey guys, yeah, so quick note, I kind of forgot to add Navies and Derps fan art. So, there's kind of a little problem here. I don't have their art on the funny video. So, you gotta go to the Slime12 Discord server link in the description to see their awesome images. So yeah, back to the original video. Stats. Here are the most and least controversial responses. Also, Nofel, we need to talk. Okay, so, looking at your past performances, it seems like you have been, rising up the leaderboard, is what they would call it. Is this true? Okay. Do you think you will win the next round thanks to your rising ranks? You heard it here first, folks. See you next time when Noah fell prizes. Wow, that sucked! Here is the list of the current and eliminated contestants. Oh yeah, good luck to the contestants still in. Congrats to the final 19 contestants of Slime12 2. You have all made it to the 1x1s! Yay! Now, let's see the 5th round prompt. The 5th round prompt is, your neighbor is showing you their house, and you start to become really jealous about their place. But when they say they want you to take care of their place for the weekend, you have an idea. You think that you should prank them. What do you do to prank your neighbor? You can submit your responses to me up until November 11th at 6 p.m. Central. And for the 4 of you, you can submit 2 responses each. See you guys in 5B, when we will see who will fall off the tall leaderboard and who will stay for another day. And stuff, yeah. Whoa.